Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating beauty and functionality within your personal spaces. Today, let's explore a design concept that seamlessly merges the structural elegance of your deck with the vibrant allure of nature. Deck Garden Design. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. To initiate our discourse, let us first delineate the precise meaning of deck garden design. At its core, deck garden design refers to the intentional and creative process of cultivating plants, arranging decorative elements, and establishing functional zones directly upon a deck or balcony structure. This transcends simply placing a few potted plants. Rather, it involves a holistic approach to transforming an elevated outdoor platform into a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing garden environment. Deck gardens can range from minimalist arrangements of succulents in stylish containers to elaborate displays featuring small trees, vertical gardens, and integrated seating areas. The fundamental principle is to maximize the potential of your deck space, turning it into an extension of your living area that celebrates the beauty and serenity of the natural world. It's about creating an outdoor sanctuary where you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature without ever leaving your home. Now, let us delve into the manifold benefits that accompany the implementation of a well-conceived deck garden design. Firstly, and perhaps most immediately apparent, is the enhancement of aesthetic appeal. A thoughtfully designed deck garden injects life, color, and texture into what might otherwise be a stark or underutilized space, significantly elevating the overall visual appeal of your property. Secondly, deck gardens offer a tangible connection to nature, particularly valuable in urban environments where green spaces may be limited. The presence of plants can foster a sense of calm and well-being, providing a tranquil retreat from the stresses of daily life. Beyond aesthetics and well-being, deck gardens can contribute to improved air quality by filtering pollutants and releasing oxygen. They can also create a microclimate that moderates temperature fluctuations, potentially making your outdoor space more comfortable during warmer months. Furthermore, a well-designed deck garden can increase the privacy of your outdoor area, acting as a natural screen against neighboring properties. For those with a penchant for fresh produce, a deck garden can even accommodate small-scale edible gardening, allowing you to grow herbs, vegetables, and fruits within easy reach. Finally, a beautifully landscaped deck can increase the value of your property, making it a more attractive prospect for potential buyers. How do I decorate my deck garden design to look beautiful? Transitioning to the practical aspects, let us explore strategies for adorning your deck garden to achieve a state of captivating beauty. The key here lies in thoughtful planning and the harmonious integration of various elements. Begin by considering the layout and flow of your deck. Define zones for different purposes, such as seating, dining, and plant displays. Utilize various heights and levels to create visual interest. Employ plant stands, tiered shelves, and hanging baskets to elevate some plants and allow others to cascade downwards. Container selection plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic. Opt for pots and planters that complement your home's exterior and the style you wish to achieve. Consider the material, color, and size of the containers, ensuring they are appropriate for the plants you intend to grow. Introduce outdoor furniture that is both comfortable and stylish, creating inviting seating areas. Incorporate decorative elements such as outdoor rugs, lanterns, string lights, and small sculptures to add personality and warmth. Water features, even small tabletop fountains, can introduce a soothing auditory element and visual appeal. Finally, ensure a cohesive look by establishing a color palette for your plants, flowers, and decorative accents. Whether you prefer a vibrant explosion of color or a more muted and sophisticated scheme, consistency will contribute to a sense of visual harmony. Now, let us turn our attention to the botanical stars of your deck garden. the plants themselves. The selection of appropriate plants is paramount to the success and beauty of your elevated oasis. Consider factors such as sunlight exposure, wind conditions, and the size and weight limitations of your deck. For sunny decks, consider drought-tolerant and heat-loving options such as succulents like echeverias, sedums, herbs like lavender, rosemary, thyme, ornamental grasses, petunias, geraniums, and small Mediterranean trees like olive or citrus in containers. For shadier decks, opt for plants that thrive in low-light conditions such as hostas, ferns, impatiens, begonias, fuchsias, and foliage plants like caladiums and coleus. Consider incorporating vertical gardening solutions such as wall-mounted planters or climbing vines like clematis or ivy in appropriate containers to maximize space and add visual drama. Choose plants with varying heights, textures, and bloom times to ensure continuous interest throughout the growing season. Remember to select plants that are well-suited to container growing and provide them with adequate drainage. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best deck garden design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The Lush Oasis. Abundant foliage with a mix of ferns, hostas, and flowering impatiens creating a cool, shaded retreat. Incorporate natural wood elements and soft lighting for a tranquil ambiance. 2. The Mediterranean Escape. Terracotta pots filled with lavender, rosemary, olive trees with dwarf varieties, and vibrant geraniums. Use gravel mulch and wrought iron furniture to evoke a sun-drenched Mediterranean feel. 3. The vertical garden wall. A striking display of wall-mounted planters overflowing with herbs, succulents, and cascading foliage. This maximizes space and creates a living green feature. 4. The Minimalist Zen Garden. Clean lines, simple geometric planters with succulents and ornamental grasses. Incorporate smooth stones and a small water feature for a serene and uncluttered aesthetic. 5. The Edible Deck Delight. Raised planters or containers dedicated to growing herbs, vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce in smaller varieties, and strawberries. Integrate seating so you can easily tend to your harvest. 6. The Colorful Cottage Garden. A vibrant mix of flowering plants like petunias, zinnias, and snapdragons in various colorful pots. Add whimsical decorative elements like birdhouses and fairy lights. 7. The Tropical Getaway. Large containers with lush tropical plants like canna lilies, elephant ears or alocasia, and bird of paradise. Incorporate bamboo accents and brightly colored outdoor cushions. 8. The Modern Geometric Garden. Sleek, contemporary planters in varying shapes and sizes featuring architectural plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, and sculptural succulents. Use a monochromatic color scheme for a sophisticated look. 9. The Romantic Floral Retreat. Climbing roses or clematis trained on trellises, accompanied by fragrant flowers like gardenias and jasmine in decorative pots. Incorporate comfortable seating with plush cushions. 10. The Desert Oasis. A collection of drought-tolerant succulents and cacti in terracotta and concrete planters. Use sand or gravel as a top dressing and incorporate natural stone elements for a dry, arid aesthetic. Deck garden design offers a remarkable opportunity to transform your elevated outdoor space into a beautiful, functional, and life-affirming extension of your home. By understanding the principles of design, selecting appropriate plants, and incorporating thoughtful decorative elements, you can create a personal sanctuary that brings joy and tranquility to your daily life. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We encourage you to take these ideas and inspiration and cultivate your own stunning deck garden. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring garden design ideas, and share your own deck garden transformations in the comments below. We love to see your creations. Until next time, happy gardening.